Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update WWE 2K24 without errors. I'll show you guys how to do it. Here is the update list. Currently there is only one update available. As you can see, just right click on it and select WinRAR. Before doing this, go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. After the update done, we can turn back on. Just right click on zip and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Again, open it. Double click on update folder. Double click on setup. Select more info and select run anyway option and select yes option. Select this pause icon to mute the music and select the browse option and select the game folder. Select the game folder and select OK option. Select this copy contents and select the install option. As you can see, successfully installed. Select the finish option and now go back and delete the update folders. Then turn on the real-time protection. Now launch the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.